Hi, I'm Bonnie Wilkes.
And I'm Bernie Wilkes. We're the proud owners of a beautiful Linden Homes house in Upper Froyle, which we've now been in just over a year. It took us a long time to actually choose this house because everyone had its beautiful features to it, and it took us a good week to choose which one was the one for us, and I think we chose a beautiful house.
And the reason we love it round here, I love it particularly, is I love the views and the sheep, and it's just full of countryside, and there's so many beautiful walks for the dogs.
The wow factor for me, they're beautiful, different, a small development, and to be dropped in the middle of the countryside, fantastic. Well, from the minute we walked into the showroom, we was met by two lovely salespeople. I was going through with the house. It was actually just over 6 months, and during that 6 months, they let us do some changes, helped us out, and they've been very good, haven't they, Bonnie?
Very good to us.
It's very nice to come home after a day's work and open the front door, and your house is just how you would like it.